So this job that we're doing now, we're doing the basement. We did the kitchen upstairs. We also did the living room flooring and dining room flooring. We also installed a couple new windows upstairs, as well with the new staircase going upstairs. It's not much going on down here. We're just reframing one of the walls. It has a big wave in it, so we're taking the drywall off. We're gonna reframe it to make it look all straight. Drywalling the ceiling, drywalling around the bulkhead that's right in the middle of the ceiling to hide all the ductwork, and just new carpet, trim, and doors. So it's a pretty simple job. It should only take us a few weeks, and then on to the next one.
Hi, my name is Jacob Cobar. I'm 19 years old. I heard about the Conscious Builder through my program I took in the Perth campus at Algonquin College, carpentry and renovation technician, and I heard from my professor Andy Cockburn about the Conscious Builder, and he really recommended it. And through my program, we built a net zero ready home, and we did that throughout the course of this last year. And this is my first job outside of that, and I learned so much throughout that experience and learning the do's and don'ts of building, how to build smart and how to build consciously, and how to use building science towards building the applications. And so in terms of what I'm comfortable with, what I'm striving towards, and what I'd like to do in the future, I'm honestly open to everything. I'm just learning, I'm trying to gain experience. I'd like to learn everything there is towards a house build. I'm really fascinated with the reclaimed wood things and furniture making as well on the side, just as hobby jobs. But in terms of work, I really love just opening up for everything.
Hi, my name is Anousone. I just started with the Conscious Builder. I've been a carpenter for over 12 years. Started as a laborer and worked my way up. I did schooling. I did a 3-year diploma. I've gained knowledge in foundations to the roof, basically. I love what I do. I've been an apprentice. I went through school for 3 years, and I love what I do, and I enjoy doing it.
Last week the guys finished all the horizontal siding on the house, and now all that's left is the front of the garage and the back of the garage are getting vertical siding to kind of mix up the exterior detail a little bit. It gets strapped a little bit differently than horizontal siding. You either strap horizontally with air brakes for water drainage and air movement, or you strap it diagonally, which is a little bit more tedious. So we decided to go horizontal here, and today we've just finally wrapped up all of the preparation for the siding, and as you can see, now that all the strapping and flashing details are done, the guys are able to start moving from right to left, installing the vertical siding. So on our strapping, it's solid on our top layer here, and on the bottom cord, we have every 10 inches, 12 inches or so, we've left a 4-inch gap between the first layer of strapping, and that's what's going to allow for our water drainage and for our airflow up the entire wall behind the siding.
This is our 2-bedroom condo renovation. We're in the demo phases right now. Scope of work is we're basically revamping and freshening up the place, getting new counters, new tiles in the bathroom and in the kitchen, new flooring, as well as refitting their closets with a new design that works better for them.
So the challenge was to bring in some color on one side and maintain the integrity of the stained wood on the other. So we've got on the perimeter, we've got this, it's a powdery gray with a hint of blue in it, and then on the sidewall we've got cabinets that the kitchen company actually matched to the existing cabinets in the dining room. So I would say in about a week from now we should have granite in, which is going to be an absolutely spectacular stone with lots of color and lots of movement.